how to add another account on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can add another account on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up a Facebook application and make sure that you're signed in with your account. Now if you want to add another account, you have to log out of this account, then log in with your other account. For that, tap on your profile with the three line at the top right. Once you're under your menu piece, you have to scroll down and head over to logout, then tap on logout. Now once you land on this interface here, tap on use another profile. Then you have to enter your login credential for your another account that you want to add. Once you're done entering your login credential, all you have to do is tap on login, and with that you'll be logged in into your another account, and now another account has been added on your Facebook. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.